People are doing active research on antler growth to understand how bone could be made to grow anew and to grow quickly, because the animal cuts off the antlers fall off at the end of the year, and then it grows new bone from the pedicle at the beginning of antler growth season. If we could understand that biological process and capture it and use it, then we could actually help amputees not regenerate lost limbs, but we could help them at least grow longer bones so that they could have better mounts for their prostheses. The other thing that's exciting is that as antlers grow so quickly, they grow new skin, the velvet that covers the antler while it's still growing. And the velvet does die and shed and come off when the antler is being used by the deer, but the velvet grows very quickly. In fact, it grows way more quickly than most skin does, and it doesn't grow in the way that scar tissue does. It grows like regular skin. And so some researchers are interested in understanding how the deer regulates that growth of velvet and how it transforms cells from, basically it's holding stem cells back in its antler pedicles, and stem cells are turning into new bone, and they're turning into cartilage, and they're turning into skin and growing this velvet. And if we can understand how deer do that, then we might be able to use those same processes to help grow skin quickly to help burn victims. The way antler grows, the way that bone grows in antler, is actually remarkably similar to one class of bone cancer. And so it's thought that deer have bone growing in this apparently out of control way, but they're controlling it, and they can stop it, and they can turn it off, and they can turn it on. So if we can understand how they're interacting between the body and the cells to control this rapid growth, we might be able to use some of those same biological pathways to help control rapid growth of some kinds of bone cancers.